What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you why SOFI is one of the strongest companies among the fintech stocks. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point when we had this massive bounce from the range of 10.56 and we had this rollover, and this bounce was really massive. It was about 25%, and I've told you that we might have huge volatility around these levels because a lot of people, a lot of investors want to invest in this asset at the ranges of below $13 price point. And as you can see, we have consistently lower lows and lower highs. This means technically we are in downtrend. But with this increase in volume, definitely we have the range of about $13 and below is the range of interest where a lot of investors might open their new position with this asset. So what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article. It was published on February the 8th and it's titled SOFI Super Bowl LVI could trigger a short squeeze. And let me quote you these bullets. SOFI reached just under 3 million total users in Q3 2021 and will surely pass the 3 million mark in March Q4 2021 earnings report. SOFI got its bank charter approved and no longer needs to act as the middleman through third-party banks for its lending needs. The Super Bowl LVI will be played at SOFI Stadium and help drive a lot of attention and users for the company. And I have to say that the potential short squeeze, I don't think that we can rely from the investor standpoint on the short squeeze, because it is just a short-term action, and every time when some asset experiences a short squeeze, we definitely have a huge spike in its price and then immediate decrease to the entry levels. And definitely it is not for investors, it is just for traders, and you have to diversify these two positions. And let me show you the short interest according to Fintel, and Fintel uses the FINRA volume, and for now it has about 39.91% of short volume ratio. And let me show you that it has a short borrow fee rate of 0.5%, extremely low, and about 10 million shares available for shorting. This means I don't think we can rely on short squeeze in near future, despite of, let me show you right here. We have information from the Ortex, and according to Ortex, SOFI remains one of the most shorted stocks on Wall Street with a short interest of 17.53%. So yes, the possibility of short squeeze is still on the table, but I don't think it is the most probable outcome. That's why we cannot rely on this action, especially if you want to invest in this company for the long term. And let me show you that the smart money list is still growing. Right here we have a lot of new filings that were made since I made my previous video, and the total amount of new positions is about $50 million. Again, in the course of 5 days, $50 million, $10 million a day, and it is quite good velocity. So let me show you in general. Right here on this chart you can see the institutional ownership of SOFI, and the lower the price goes, as you can see the blue line represents on this chart the price of this company, and the lower the price goes, the higher the number of institutional owners, and definitely it is a very good sign. And let me show you the forecast from Wall Street analysts. We are on Seeking Alpha, and we have 12 analysts that made their analysis in the last 90 days. 7 of them suggest to strong buy this asset, 2 to buy, and 3 to hold. and the price targets are $16 at the lower end, average price target is $20.23, and the highest price target is $28. And TPRanks has almost the same price ranges, 16 at the lower end, 28 at the higher end, but it has only 10 ratings, and definitely we have room to grow even to the lowest price point according to these estimations. So I think for now SOFI is extremely undervalued, because in about several weeks we will see their earnings report, and it will be at the very beginning of March. And on this earnings report definitely we will have not only the results of their work, but the forecast. And the forecast should be really impressive, because they just received their bank charter, and in a matter of just 5 days we will see the Super Bowl, and it will increase their user base, and it will be a next major catalyst that will improve their financials of Q1 2022. And definitely because of this news, SOFI forecast should be really impressive. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you why I think this stock is one of the strongest stocks among the fintech sector. And let me add to this price chart the price of PayPal. And definitely it has a huge sell-off during the last couple of weeks. And as you can see, this sell-off on PayPal, this white line, corresponds with this sell-off on SOFI ticker. But next one, it hit even lower price targets, and for now PayPal is trading at $120 price point, but SOFI, instead of movement to the downside, has this increase in its price, and from 11.28 to 12.16 it has about 7.7% increase in its price. Definitely SOFI is gaining some momentum. So I don't need this price chart, and let's continue with the SOFI price action. So we are forming some kind of consolidation phase, and if I connect these tops right here from this range, but basically to this one, and these bottoms, as you can see, we are forming some kind of triangle, and this triangle, as usual, the closer price gets to the apex, the lower volume we have with the movements. And we have to break this formation either way, because it is a symmetrical triangle, and we have decent possibilities to break it to the upside or to the downside, and it is also possible. And if you want to catch the trade, just wait until we will break this range, and we have to have the confirmation with the volume. And if we will break the upper resistance with the increase in volume, this will definitely indicate that most likely we will hit some higher targets, and we will exceed the previous swing highs. And what is the target? If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top, from the swing top of $24.53 to swing low right here, as you can see, we have the golden pocket pattern, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal, at the price points of 19.2 to 19.65. And definitely this range will be a very strong resistance, and it is a confluence with the top of our B wave right here, and it is the confluence with the average forecasts from TPRanks and from Wall Street analysts, as you can see, 20.23. And that's why this range might be your medium-term price target. But if you want to invest, just accumulate your position on every daily red candle, and this will give you more attractive average price. And in a matter of 12 to 24 months, in my opinion, you can triple your money with this asset. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!